These are the squirmy wormies I tied up at the office this week. Here's my rig going to Evergreen. Attractor fly is a red squirmy wormy. Down beneath that I made this size 18, and it's a midge of sorts. See what happens. Rod is a Orvis Encounter II. It's a budget-friendly, somewhat entry-level rod. About $200 for the whole setup on Amazon. Nice way to decide if you're really into this or not. Let's get out to Evergreen and see what happens. Indicator, 2 feet down, weight 18 inches below that or so. Red squirmy wormy I tied at work. Decent angle. Stay underwater. Somebody was hungry.